So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to mute all participants on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right away after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that you guys can see an option which is known as My Account. Now just select this option and it will get you on the profile page. After that you guys can see on your left there are a bunch of options. Now just select one of these options which is known as settings, and after that you guys will get on this page right away. Now guys, you have to scroll down until you guys see this section which is called schedule meetings, and in this section scroll down again and you can see this option right here which is called mute all participants when they join in a meeting. So you just need to switch on this button right here just like that, and now you guys have successfully activated the option which will help you to mute all the participants whenever they join a meeting. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.